Thank you for clicking on this video. I'd like to welcome you to a very brand new episode of Side Dish. I know it's been a while since there's been an episode of Side Dish, but don't worry, I got you covered. If this is your first time checking out Digital Chef ENT, I'm Taryn Williams. This is my second cooking show, Side Dish. The menu is the first one. If you've never watched Side Dish or the menu, pause this video, go back, watch a couple of videos, and you're more than welcome to come back. So I'm actually going to be making, we're getting into the summer. Well, it feels like summer everywhere else in the world except for Chicago. But we're going to do a summer drink. I'm going to be doing Bacardi Lime Slushies. This is actually going to be an original creation. We're going to see how it goes. So, as you see, I have my picture. So first, I'm actually going to put in some Simply Limeade, which is really good. Then I'm thinking probably a cup and a half of Bacardi Lime. I actually, this idea is inspired by, I saw Bacardi came out with a Bacardi Lime flavor, as you can see. And I was like, ooh, that'll probably make a good drink, so that's where this came from. So actually, I might do a cup and then a quarter cup of Bacardi Lime. Then I'm going to add my homemade simple syrup that I made earlier. So the simple syrup I actually made before I started recording. The simple syrup is just sugar and water, which is what makes it a simple syrup. And then I infused it with lime zest from about 2 small limes, and then the lime juice from those 2 small limes. Then we're going to add some simple syrup. This will be our sweetening agent. So this will be our sweetener. And then I'm actually going to add a couple of squirts of lime juice just to give it a little tartness. Not too much. This is going to stir it really quickly. It's pretty full. Actually, I'm going to put a cup right here to catch it, because it's still pretty full. Give it a quick stir. There you go. Now I'm gonna put this in the freezer overnight until it hardens. And then we're gonna finish it off in the next part. Here's our almost finished Bacardi Lime Slushie. So all I'm actually gonna do is finish it with a little bit of sparkling limeade flavored water, so a little sparkling water flavored limeade, whichever one you want to say. So it's sparkling water flavored limeade. There we go. And I'm just gonna garnish it with a lime wheel. There you go. So thank you for checking out this brand new episode of Side Dish. Like, comment, share, subscribe, try out the recipe, and tell me what you think. It's actually really good. It's really refreshing because limes aren't that sweet. So you get a little bit of sweetness, but it's not overpowering. It's not really tart. It's really good balance. But definitely check out the recipe and tell me what you think. So thank you for checking out Digital Chef ENT. Thank you for checking out this brand new episode of Side Dish. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, and check out some of my other videos right here on Digital Chef ENT. Of course, slicing, dicing, gaming. It's not just a matter of lifestyle. I'll see you all in the next video. Later.